See, the price of gold is trading around $44.22. And if you see this particular trend, I've clearly mentioned you that there is a higher chances of it, and there is a probability that it can move further upside. Okay, because there is a clear U pattern has formed. After that, there is a downside, and this is the range the price is moving, and chances will be very high that if it keep moving above a level of $43.94, we can see there can be a further upside movement, and it can cross a level of 44.29, then to a level of 44.37, and a probability of touching 44.52 is there, which is half this zone, and chances are high it will cross from that level and it will move towards a level of $44.85. This is what we can see looking at this chart. And once the price rises above this level, a further upside also can be seen. But if what you have to look here is that, see, this is the range where the price has moved for so long. Okay, what happened that suppose if it started coming down, goes below a level of 43.94, then a further fall can be seen towards 43.73 to a level of 43.45, and then a further fall can be seen towards 43.30, and then come down towards 4300. This is what you can see looking at this chart. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID there in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is the trend line, which is very important you to understand that the price is moving in this range for quite some time. Okay, see, this is the range. If you look at the range carefully, you will understand more that after moving out of this zone, we have seen the price is continuously on the upside. Okay, what I've clearly mentioned you that once the price sustain above 4,000 level, chances was very high, but looking at this trend, probability was high that one started going up this level, because there is a small trend is forming in this particular range also when the price started going upside. Okay, after crossing a level of 4,000, we have seen that the price will move further upside. Okay, but below 4,000, which is a very important and psychological level, then we can see a further fall. As of now, the price is sustaining 4,000 level, and chances of going further upside is very high. Okay, I've clearly mentioned you these are the level, and this is the trend which is it is following. Okay, so understand that if the price sustaining above a level of 4400, then at least you can say that the price is moving. Look at this pattern, because it is creating a particular pattern towards an upside. So suppose if it started going higher, chances of going towards a level of 44.28 is there. Okay, and then from there it will move towards a level of around 44.34, which is already a weak level. Okay, so probability of further upside can be there, and it will move towards a level of 44.51 level, and then a zone breakout will happen. Then a probability of going towards a level of around 44.64, then to a level of 44.80, and if from there a level of around $96. Okay, and then a further upside can be seen. So understand this pattern says that the price will go further towards 43.55. It will cross this level. So best what you can do, trail your SL around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside movement. So once the price crosses this level, probability of crossing 44.51 is high, and then from there a level of 44.82, then a probability of touching 4500, and then further upside can be seen towards 45.44. So trailing is important by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside movement. But suppose if it started coming down, it can come down towards 44.28 to a level of 43.95, then it can come down towards 43.57 to a level of 43.45, then to a level of 43.22, then to a level of 43.12. Then there will be a zone breakout, then a further downfall towards 42.67, then to a level of 42.21, then to a level of 4200. This is an important level. These two are important level. Okay, so from these three levels, we can see a bounce back can come. Trailing is important by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside as well as downside movement. So above 4400, there can be an upside movement towards 4500, the further high. But if it keep falling below 4400, chances can be high it can come down, and then a further fall can be seen. What we have seen, suppose today we have seen that this candle closes above this level of 44.36, then there is a probability that the next candle can also be green, and then tomorrow also we can see there can be a probability of making new high above this level. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if